bottom of the back of the farm. Still got a little bit more to go, way over there. And if you see all those piping along the edge there of the field, that's where all the irrigation comes through. Pretty cool. Yeah. And if you look through here, I'm going to zoom in, which I'll take pictures of it and post it. There's some keels over there. And back in the day, in the 80s, and still people now, they smoke cigarettes. My Uncle John grew tobacco. And a bunch of other farmers here in Simcoe County. And I took some pictures of some keels, and they're pretty much becoming dilapidated. Didn't realize how long it's been since I've actually seen one. It's crazy how time kills a barn or a keel house. Toby, come on! There's Bella. Toby is in his element. Hey, Toby, out! Ah! I don't know what the fuck that is. Excuse my French. That's disgusting.